nay bagong product gikan kang MSI, mo ni ang Vigor GK41 mechanical keyboard. So mo ni ang box. Ang box niya kay na siya features, information, specifications, tanan. I-unbox na nato. So mo na yung box guys, mo na yung sulod. Ang sulod niya is na siya quick start guide, the keyboard itself, and the keycap puller. So ito na siyang itaod sa itong PC guys.
Again guys, this is definitely one of the most elegant gaming keyboard I've ever seen. Starting with the build and design, I like the overall layout, and I can assure you guys that this is a top-notch quality. This one feels different and it's very nice to play with these light key switches, has low effort actuation. And that is it guys, sobra ka premium aning MSI keyboard. So kung na mo'y plano mag-upgrade, please do check this out. Nasa description below and the product links kung asa ni mapalit. So thank you so much for watching.